Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. Today, we're grilling up some scorpion, pepper, pineapple chicken wings on the Traeger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you do make any of my recipes and you post on social media, don't forget to tag me at What's in the Pot on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's What's in the Pot. Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. So for our recipe today, I'm starting with 5 full wings, full-size wings. If you're going to use split wings, then it'll be 10 split wings. And we're going to be using some of this DK Hawaiian spicy rub and a teaspoon of Trinidad Green Seasoning. I can post a link, or I will post a link, on how to make the Trinidad Green Seasoning up above. And what we're going to do is we're going to massage a little bit of that green seasoning in there. It's going to give a little bit of that Caribbean flavor, that Trini flavor. And we're also going to be adding this DK spicy Hawaiian rub. Altogether, I'm probably using about maybe 2 teaspoons, and this rub is amazing. It has lots of flavors. Got a little bit of lemon pepper, cane sugar, black pepper, sea salt. It's delicious. So shout out to the Kine Hawaiian for hooking me up with some of this amazing dry rub and sauces that we'll be using in our recipe today. This is our wings, all seasoned. You can let that sit overnight, or if not, let it marinate for at least an hour. Right before cooking, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Some people use cornstarch. I like baking powder. When we're putting it on the grill, especially if you're using a pellet grill, what's going to happen is going to make that skin nice and crispy, almost like you fried it in the deep fryer, but it's going to be nice and crispy on the grill. It's not going to have that rubberized kind of texture that you might get. I have my grill set and it was preheating at 375 degrees. Once your grill reaches 375 degrees, we're going to put these wings on for 15 minutes, skin side down. Our total cooking time is 35 minutes, and we're going to start making our sauce. Now I'm using half a cup of the pineapple, the Kine pineapple syrup. The syrup is amazing. It's really good on pancakes, but I really like it on my wings. So altogether, it's about half a cup, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of this Habanero Trinidad scorpion pepper sauce. Not even a full teaspoon, about 3/4 teaspoon. If you want it hot, go with a full teaspoon. The last ingredient we'll be adding is about half a teaspoon of the Kine spicy dry rub. What's going to happen is the dry rub is going to bring out all the flavors from its ingredients, mixing with the heat and the sweetness. So it's going to be delicious, man. These are going to be the best wings you ever made. Now these are our wings. Let's see how they're looking. They're looking good. This is after 15 minutes, so we're going to give it 1 flip. Remember, they're cooking at 375, and we're going to be cooking this on the other side for approximately 20 more minutes. And we want to make sure we're cooking our chicken to internal temperature for about 170, 175, 180. These are our final product for our wings. You can see that beautiful color. The skin is nice and crispy because we put that baking powder in the marinade. So there's our wings. You can see all that flavor, all that dry rub in there. And now we're going to be saucing it up, because you know you can't have wings without some sauce. I mean, I like a dry wing every once in a while, but I like my sauce, and I'm telling you, these are going to be the best wings you ever tried. So once you put your sauce on your wings, make sure you give it a good toss. Make sure all them wings, you want to get all that flavor from that pineapple scorpion pepper sauce. Look at that wing. It's perfectly coated with our sauce. You can see the dry rub still on there, so we get that flavor from the dry rub. We get that smokiness from the grill. These wings are hands down my favorite. So thank you very much to the Kine Hawaiian, Habanero Trinidad for the amazing scorpion pepper sauce, and Traeger grills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you make these wings, tag me on Instagram or on social media at What's in DEPOT. Till next time, peace.